Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 is already one of the best foldables we've ever seen. Thinner, lighter, bigger screens, and that massive 200MP camera. But here's the thing. The Z Fold 8 might completely change the game. Let me explain. The biggest rumor comes from analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. He claims Samsung will use a laser-drilled metal plate under the display, designed to spread the stress from folding. Translation: a crease-free foldable. For years, people have complained about that wrinkle down the middle. It's improved, sure, but never disappeared. If the Z Fold 8 delivers a perfectly smooth screen, that alone could make it the most polished foldable yet. And guess what? Apple is reportedly using the same tech for its first foldable iPhone, which means Samsung can't afford to fall behind. But that's not all. The Fold 8 could finally fix another weakness: the battery. Samsung has kept the same 4,400 mAh capacity since the Fold 3. Meanwhile, rivals like Oppo and Honor are pushing close to 6,000 mAh with super-fast charging. The Fold 7 still tops out at just 25 watts, taking over 90 minutes to fully charge. Compare that to others doing it in 40 minutes. The Z Fold 8 is expected to step up with new battery tech and faster charging, and honestly, it's overdue. Now let's talk S Pen. The Fold 7 ditched it to stay thin and light, and fans were not happy. Samsung has hinted it's working on slimmer digitizer tech to bring S Pen support back. If they pull that off, the Fold 8 could finally balance productivity and portability. And under the hood, we're looking at next-gen power. Rumors say a custom Snapdragon chip built on a 2nm process could debut with the Fold 8. That means faster performance, less heat, and better efficiency, something foldables desperately need. So, here's the big question. Should you buy the Z Fold 7 now, or wait for the Z Fold 8? Honestly, the Fold 7 is already fantastic. But if Samsung delivers a crease-free screen, bigger battery, faster charging, S Pen support, and a 2nm chip,